Hi everyone, it's Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers, and I have some really exciting news. So we have some new Owl Star Stampers merchandise available in my Etsy store, and some of the products have been arriving, and so I thought it'd be fun to do an unboxing with you and show you some of the new products. So as you can see, I have one of the other shirts on right now. This one is, so everything that we had last time is still available if you missed out on that, so you can still check those things out, but we have some new things and shirts and unique things. So let's go ahead and get started. So this was the first thing that came, and actually it's not a super big surprise to me because I opened it up. I have a retreat going on and I wasn't sure if it was something for the retreat. So I opened it up and this is what is inside. So if you guys watch me, you know I love baseball hats and I love like the distressed ones. So this is a distressed baseball hat and it's super cute and it has my logo and it's embroidered. So that you will find this baseball hat on the Etsy store. Super cute. This one's a charcoal gray with white embroidered lettering, custom made. So if you love hats like me, then you're gonna love this hat. I'm so excited. It just has the regular Velcro in the back. Okay, the other item I opened too, not fully sure, was this, and I should have known because it said fragile, but we have, are you ready for it? A coffee cup, and it says Coffee and Crafts and then the Owl Star Stampers. It has the logo on both sides, and please note there's two sizes of this mug. Now I got the bigger size, which I believe is a 15 ounce, and there is a smaller size as well, but this is a coffee cup, so you can drink out of this coffee, or you can set it on your craft station to hold your markers or pens or whatever too. So it could be multi-purpose, or maybe you want more than one for that purpose. So new coffee cup mug available in the Etsy store too. Okay, now these just arrived today, and I have some new shirts. And so I have not seen these yet. So let's open these and see what is inside. There's three new shirts, okay? So here's the first one. Okay, so this one is gonna be a baseball style shirt. All right. So look at Owl Star Stampers and it's a baseball like style with the 3/4 inch sleeves and white in the center. So here is our first shirt. Now again, I kind of wanted to get these out in the springtime, but there was a little delay, but it's worth the wait because look at how cute this shirt is. So this one is a 3/4 inch tee, white and black. So although the lettering looks like a little more of like a charcoal gray other than a black, but I really like it. It's really cute. So 3/4 length baseball tee. There's two more, and that one just said the Owl Star Stampers on it. Now these ones are a little bit different, so let's see what these ones look like. So here's the first one, and now these t-shirts are the same as the ones we had before, so the same type of style. So if you already have them, just know it's the same brand. Different colors though. We picked some. We were able to get some different colors. So this one says Stamping is my therapy, and then it says Owl Star Stampers. So can you see? Oop, can you see that? Stamping is my therapy, Owl Star Stampers. This is, I can't remember the name of the color because this has two color choices on the Etsy store. I picked to me it looks like a berry color. I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but there's two choices. So Stamping is my therapy. You can, these shirts are so soft. And then there's another one too. And this one, I heard your guys' plea for the light pink. So we have a light pink shirt. Now sometimes it's not available for whatever reason, but this one it was available. So this is a true light pink. The one I have on is like a lilac feathered. And this one says, let's open it up. I'm so excited because I love pink too. Now it's in white, so it might be a little hard to see, but it says, I make pretty cards. And then Owl Star Stampers. It's going to be hard to see with the lighting. There you go. I make pretty cards. And then down there, the little Owl Star Stamper. But it's in the same font as, it's like my logoed font. So you can get this in 2 different colors. There's the light pink and then another color. I'm sorry I don't remember the colors. I know one of them there was a blue option as well. So I make pretty cards. And then we have stamping is my therapy. We have a baseball 3/4 length t-shirt. And then we have the baseball hat and the coffee mug. So if you would like to order any of these products, you can, again, click the link to the Etsy store and have fun shopping. And then also any of the other style shirts that we had available are still on there too. So thanks for shopping, and have so much fun shopping all these new products. I'll see you guys soon.